Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to delete Teachable accounts. If you want to delete your Teachable account, then the process is quite easy, so let's dive into the video right away. Open up your Teachable application on your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. Once you're inside your account, tap on the Name Initial button at the top right-hand corner. This will open up the Accounts tab where you'll need to scroll all the way down and tap on the Delete My Account button. Deleting your Teachable accounts means you will delete all of your data permanently from the Teachable apps and services. Your account cannot be recovered once it is deleted, and you will lose access to any content that you have purchased from the Teachable school. You will not be able to request a refund on any purchased content because your account will not exist anymore. To continue deleting, tap on Continue with Account Deletion button at the bottom and follow the instructions. And just like that, you will be able to delete your account for Teachable. That's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.